What will win in a drag race between a tuned Audi RS3, a tuned Audi S4 and a tuned Audi RS6? Well, we're going to find out because I'm going to race them over the standing quarter mile. I am Matt Watson and you are watching CarWow. Let me tell you about this Audi RS3 saloon. It's got a 2.5 litre 5-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine, normally puts out 400 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. However, it's had new intake, intercooler, piggyback ECU, all the changes done by Awesome GTI, and the result, 475 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque. Now this car weighs in at 1.6 tons, and new, they're about £55,000, but then you've had about, it's like £5 worth of upgrades in terms of the tuning and mods and stuff like that. Now let's find out about the S4 from its driver, Nick. Hey Nick, tell us about that S4.
So this S4 started life with a 3-litre single turbo V6 engine. It still has that, but it's got a lot more power now. So it used to have 350 horsepower and 500 newton meters of torque. Now it has 560 horsepower and 840 newton meters. It's just ridiculous. Most of the rest of the car is the same, so it's got the same 8-speed automatic gearbox, the same 4-wheel drive system. But the best thing about this car is how much it costs. Including upgrades, this car was £24,000. It's amazing.
Before you get too excited though, right? How old is it and how many miles has it done?
I don't know how old it is, but I think the mileage speaks for itself. It's done nearly 73,000 miles.
Let's move on to you, Jack.
Yeah, so I'm in the Audi RS6. It's a C8 tuned by Awesome GTI. It's got a 4-litre twin-turbo V8 stock. It would have 600 horsepower, but this one has 730. It's got 1,000 newton meters of torque, all-wheel drive, 8-speed automatic gearbox, and it weighs just over 2 tons. It was £110,000 when new. Roughly, they sell for about 65 now, and the full price, including its upgrades, is 65, which doesn't seem to make very much sense.
What also doesn't make sense is why you're not presenting videos, because that delivery was freaking brilliant. I wish I was as effective as that.
I may have been reading.
I can't even read that good. Well done, Jack. Jack normally runs the video things, but today he's saying things and driving cars. Let's see how he performs. Hopefully he's not too good at driving. Before we get on with this race, if you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. That way you won't miss a single upload. And now let's do the CarWow sound check. I'm gonna rev up my... Hello, that was nice for a moment, but now it's gone all rev limitary. It's gone rubbish. Okay, let's have a listen to your S4. Oh yes, I'm liking that S4. Anyway, Jack, let's hear the RS6. Yeah. Okay, stop it, Jack. Your R6 is dull. Nick, clear win for you.
You're the first of many. Let's find out.
Yeah, let's crack on with this. Oh, no, there's nothing else. Let's just race.
3, 2, 1.
He freaking jumped the start like a... Yeah, he knew he did.
Pushing through the brakes. This pushes through its brakes like mad.
Meanwhile...
Wow! Oh, little S4! Yeah! Showing the big boys how it's done! That is what I'm talking about!
Forget that, right? Just forget it. Ignore that start. This is starting afresh.
3, 2, 1.
Bye-bye RS3! But that RS6 is gone.
He's getting dropped. I've got him. Too easy.
Woo! That was speedy!
So this spun up its wheels and I did a wiggly thing, then it just lost all power, and by that time you were both gone. Was it close between you two at all?
Sort of, to begin with, but after I got into third gear, that RS6 had pulled past and didn't slow up.
I think I can get a better launch, so I'd like to go again to allow this car to at least put in a slightly better time. All right, let's do it one more time. I will just go for a nice little drive first though, because he won't let me engage launch. Quite fancy some Thai food. Actually, do you know what I'm going to do? I cycle the car, turn it off. Where's the key? Where's the bloody key? Where's that gone now? Oh God, where is it? Where is the? Oh, there it is. Cycle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13. That should be enough. Start it. Take it for a chill drive down. Right. Give it one more go. If this doesn't work, right. Park the car up. Go into drive. Make sure the stability's off. It will launch. Good gumdrops.
3, 2, 1.
Well, we're hooked up that time.
Oh, no!
Hell yeah, baby! Not gonna win.
Oh yes, I'm gonna have them both. I'm gonna have them both.
No! He's won! How's he won?
Showing the big boys how it's done.
Wow, that was really quick. Like a really quick time. That was really quick for me. I don't know what happened to the RS6.
One word, bog. I'm so disappointed.
I can't imagine this is going to hook up better than it did just then.
Oh, that was brilliant. I am so surprised by how well this S4 performs. Not an R in sight. S4, this is the baby here. And it absolutely trounced you both.
Yeah, as standard it has the least power, but obviously you've tuned it. That was interesting though.
Please let me have another go. It bogged. It didn't bog on the first go.
I've got to go for a drive. Just let this system cool down.
Can't believe it bogged.
I don't know if I'm going to get a better launch than that. Right, let's go through this malarkey. So, just going to wait, put it into park, turn it off, cycle it, start it up. Let's go for a little drivey drive. Should be fine, Rooney. Make my way down. Right, let me get this set up. This is performance, launch your controlling mode. It's working. Come on, have a good start.
3, 2, 1.
It was a good start by everyone. Come on, my little beauty!
Yes, S4.
Bog, a bit of bog.
Oh, no way, pulling on the RS3 and the RS6 is not getting past.
Come on! Come on! Come on!
No frickin' way.
Oh my God, that's so close.
Oh,
Right. They say that power corrupts. In my case, I don't think it did. This put in a pretty good showing then. I think, Mick, that S4, once again, it didn't corrupt that car, did it?
not one bit. This thing is awesome. I love it. It's such a good package and it's so quick.
Go on, say something, Jack.
I think this car had one really good launch in it. That was better, but it's still kind of bogging a little bit. It's just power's corrupted it.
And there you go. Sometimes you can have too much. So then what exactly happened? Well, the slow motion replay reveals that the S4 won. Just. Both it and the RS6 completed the standing quarter mile in 11.4 seconds. Meanwhile, the RS3 took 11.6 seconds. Do you want to tell the car manufacturers exactly what you think about your car? Actually, I really like this. Well, you can by joining thousands of motorists by taking part in the Driver Power Owner Satisfaction Survey. You can tell the manufacturers the things you like about your car, such as the way it has a really easy to use infotainment system. You can also say what you're not so impressed with. Maybe the boot isn't quite as practical as you'd hoped. The survey is only open to people in the United Kingdom, so if you're from another country, sorry, you can't take part. But if, like cameraman Lewis, who's behind the camera there, you are in the UK, you can fill in details about your car and moan about stuff such as the door handles. You don't like these door handles, do you, Lewis?
No.
He doesn't like those door handles. However, Lewis does like the practicality in the back seats of this particular car, don't you, Lewis?
Yeah, I do.
So when he's filling in his driver power satisfaction survey, he'll be mentioning this as a positive. Now, if you want to fill in the survey right now, then just click the link in the description to this video or the link in the pinned comment. I've also put a little pop-out banner that should be appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Click on that, you can go fill in the survey from there, or by following the QR code which is appearing on the screen right now. And the good news is, if you fill in the survey, you could be entered into a draw to win £100 worth of Amazon vouchers. So go on, tell the manufacturers exactly what you think about your car by completing the driver power owner satisfaction survey. Go do it now. Now we have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. The cars are actually in their normal road setting, automatic mode for the gearbox, not sport. We're going to roll on from 50 miles an hour and see which one is quickest to the half mile. Let's do this. Everyone get level, everyone get level. Come on, Jack, get level. Here we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. RS6 has gone.
Wow, yeah, that thing's quick on a roll. Flippin' heck.
Oh, it's close between me and the S4. Well, it was, but it's not any longer. Wow, the RS6 has disappeared.
Yeah, that's fast.
You enjoyed that more, didn't you, Jack?
Yeah, that was just a clean sweep. Easy peasy.
Nicholas, we were quite level for a short period of time and then you just pulled.
We were. This thing took a little while to kick down, a little while to build boost, but yeah, once it's going, it's really going. Just not quite as quick as the RS6.
But it's a whole bunch cheaper. I mean, that is an absolutely insanely good value package, that right there.
Can't argue with that. Absolutely brilliant.
Right, next race.
Got a weird noise, hang on, let me just investigate.
I've got a weird noise. With bad noise, there's a noise that's bad. We're going to have another rolling race now. This time, sporty setting, 3rd gear manual, race to the half mile. Let's do it. Get level. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, it's really close with me and Matt.
Oh no.
Oh, not anymore.
Easy. It's just quicker.
Really getting battered here.
Oh, he's got me. He's absolutely got me.
Boom. 155 over the half mile.
Credit where credit's due. That thing is a rocket.
Final challenge then, we're going to do a brake test from 100 miles an hour. The car that stops in the shortest distance wins. If you'd rather watch another drag race, click on the pop-out banner appearing in the top right-hand corner of the screen, or use your phone to follow the QR code appearing on the screen now. Where's this light? There it is. Oh, oh,
Oh, blimey. Oh, that is close.
So this car actually has carbon ceramics on the front. Ooh, that has upgraded discs and pads, and the RS6's brakes are standard. But there's the order. The RS3 won something. It is the best car at stopping, and the RS6 clearly isn't. Anyway, hope you'll enjoy the video. If you did, give it a like. If you want to watch some other videos, click on the video windows, and if you click on the carwow logo, you can go to the carwow drag race leaderboard to see how these cars' quarter mile times compares to everything else we have ever drag raced. Thanks for watching.